Why, hello, ladies and gentlemen, and not children. I am Xander.
No,
Why, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Xander from Fun King 3D, and you are watching Xander's Thing Thursday. This week, I'm gonna get medieval on you.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
This is the Flexi-Dragon by Veggie for Life on Thingiverse. There will be a link to it in the description below. This model comes in 3 pieces: the body, the left wing, and the right wing. I've never printed one of these before, but as with all Flexi models, you have to work the joints. The body came off the bed already pretty flexible. The wings, though, were pretty stiff. There are 2 different ways to print these wings, more flexible and a less flexible. We went with the less flexible so that the wings wouldn't droop. So there's some assembly required to this model. There are tabs on the wings so that you can snap them into the hole in the back of the dragon. And one side of the tab is flat and the other side of the tab has a lip. So you want the 2 flat sides of the wings to go together. But somehow I think that they should not go in at the same time. So I'm going to put them in one at a time. And I believe this is a one-way trip, so this could very well be a train wreck. Move your head. I wanted to have a mental breakdown. Goodness sake. Did it break? What the heck?
teach you a lesson. If at first it doesn't fit, don't force it. Use a bigger hammer, or in this case, a pair of pliers.
Whew, that was tough. Thanks, Dad. I probably would have never gotten that. This model was printed in mystery blue from Rhino Wheel, made by Keene Village Plastics on the AM8 with a 215-degree nozzle. But the nozzle could have been a little cooler because the model turned out wispy. It had a 60-degree bed and a 0.2 layer height, and it also took 8 hours to print. I really like this model and I think it looks really cool. And one day I might print it bigger. Thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everyone, so I've just been diagnosed as colorblind. It really came out of the purple. Wait.